What's up guys, Kinger's Garage, Kinger here. Today, I'm fixing a problem. My problem is that this unit throws mud everywhere. I'm not opposed to getting a little dirty. Am I a wussy? Maybe. But this thing is pretty severe. I think I figured out why. Let me flip you around. This four-wheeler came with these ITP rims. I don't know the back spacing, I don't know any of the specifications, but what I do know is they stick out quite a bit, both front and rear. And I think that's my problem. So I'm not opposed to getting a little dirty, that's why we go ATVing, but this is pretty bad. It's throwing stuff 15 to 20 feet in the air, kind of in front of me, so I just run into it, and it's getting in my goggles, it's hard to see, and it's just kind of killing the fun a little bit. So, reached out to my buddy Jeff Bezos, and I got me a set of these. They still make them for an old unit like this. Check this out. Look at that. Can you see a tire? There it is. Gone. There it is. Gone. I think these are gonna be the ticket. Let's get them on. Look at that. Literally 10 minutes. Fitment is perfect. Great job by this company. Shout out to this company, made in America, no less. Great job, guys. This is wonderful. Wow, 10 minutes, perfect fit up. Just simply drill and bolt them on. Couldn't be simpler, look great. And I'll give you a review in the comments. Next time we're out, we're going out in a couple weeks. I'll post a picture of the unit after we're done riding. We'll see what it looks like. Till then, later.